Cook 3 times faster with this. Chinese restaurants do so as well with one of this amazing sauce. Today, I'll show you how to make this simple stir-fry sauce and use it for a quick chicken noodle stir-fry, savory pork and green peppers, and a vibrant mixed vegetable delight. Let's start cooking. Here is how you can make this super easy stir-fry sauce and how you can store it even longer. In a bowl, or you can put it directly into a squeeze bottle. Put in oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce. This dark soy sauce is optional. It just depends on how dark or light you like your stir fries to be. Sugar, Chinese cooking wine, chicken powder or MSG. Then add in boiled water. Take note that this is boiled water, water that has been boiled and cooled down. I do not really know the reason for using boiled water as opposed to tap water. My grandma said that the sauce will last a lot longer if we use boiled water. And the auntie in the kitchen that I was working at confirmed this as well. Give all this a good shake and it is ready to go. Let's start with the first dish, chicken noodle stir fry. Here is what we need. Noodles. I have here some yellow Hokkien Mee, but you can use any type of noodles for this dish, including spaghetti. Eggs, chicken, breast or thigh, corn flour. For the aromatics, we will use garlic, green onions, only the white parts. And for the vegetables, I'm keeping it simple with snow peas, carrots, onions. And of course, we'll be using the stir fry sauce. For the chicken, I have here some bone-in chicken thighs. If you have the same, remove the skin and any visible fat. Then, remove the bone by cutting down on both sides of the bone. Cut under the bone, then through both ends. You can save the bones for chicken stock. Cut the chicken up into bite-sized pieces. Then, marinate it with some stir-fry sauce and give this a good mix. Put in some corn flour and give this a good mix again. Make sure that every piece of chicken is coated with that corn flour. Then, set it aside. For the vegetables, trim off the stems of the snow peas and pull out the fibrous stems. Peel and cut the carrots. Do the same for the onions. Cut up the white parts of the green onions. Then, chop up the garlic. Now, to cook. We'll start by frying the eggs. Put your pan over a medium-high heat. Put in some oil. We do not need to wait for the pan to heat up to put in this oil because I'm using a non-stick pan. When the oil is hot, put in your egg. Fry the egg and break up the egg at the same time. I like breaking up the egg directly in the pan rather than beating the egg in a separate bowl because this method gives the egg a white and yellow appearance, which to me looks a lot better than just pale yellow. Also, there's less dishes to wash. You do not need to fully cook the egg here because we'll be cooking it some more a bit later. Remove the egg. Put a bit more oil into the pan. Then fry the chicken. Put your chicken down at the bottom of the pan in one layer. Give the chicken about 2 minutes. This should result in some browning. Once you have reached this stage, turn the chicken over and fry the other side as well. When the other side is no longer pink, push the chicken aside. There is no need to cook the chicken all the way through at this point. Add in a little bit more oil, then fry the ginger, onions, and the white parts of the green onions for about a minute till they are fragrant. Add in the vegetables and fry them for about a minute as well. Add in the eggs and the noodles. The noodles are kind of hard and difficult to toss at this point. Just add some water and drizzle the stir fry sauce on top. You will need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of stir fry sauce per serving. I have here about 2 to 3 servings. Always under season and adjust the seasoning later, because it's always easier to put more in than take some out. Cover and let the steam develop in the pan. The steam will soften the vegetables and the noodles. Give this about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, the noodles and the vegetables would have softened. Give them a good toss. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Add in more stir fry sauce if needed. And we are done for this dish. Next up, pork and green peppers. For this dish, you will need pork loin, egg, cornstarch, cooking oil, green peppers, garlic, chili bean paste or doubanjiang, and of course the stir fry sauce. My piece of pork loin comes with a layer of silver skin. You can leave it or you can remove it altogether. I prefer to remove it. Slice the pork up into half cm slices against the grain. The grain runs this way, so you want to cut it this way. Cut them up into half cm strips. Marinate the pork with some stir fry sauce, cornstarch, and an egg white. Massage the pork in this marinade for about 3 to 4 minutes. This will tenderize the pork. Then add in some oil. The oil will prevent the pork from sticking together when we fry them. Next, cut up your green peppers into long rings. You can use bell peppers here instead if you do not want your dish to be too spicy. Chop up some garlic. To cook, put your pan over a medium-high heat. Add in some oil. When the oil is hot, put in the pork in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Leave the pork there for about 1 to 2 minutes till the bottom is golden brown. Something like this. Then toss and fry the pork till it's no longer pink. When the pork has changed color, add in your green peppers, garlic, the chili bean paste, and a splash of water. Add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of stir fry sauce. Give all this a good mix. Then taste and adjust for seasoning. Add in more stir fry sauce if needed. When it is the way you like it to be, pour in about half of the cornstarch slurry. You can make the cornstarch slurry by combining 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Give all this a good mix till the sauce has thickened and coat all the pot. Add in more cornstarch slurry if the sauce is not thick enough. For the last dish, we are making mixed vegetables stir fry. This is a fridge clearing dish. Use whatever leftover vegetables you have lying around in your fridge. I have therefore not included any measurements in this recipe. Just use whatever you have in whatever quantities you want. Here's what I found in my fridge and what's left over from the previous 2 dishes. Carrots, potatoes, onions, snow peas, cabbage, young corn. For the aromatics, we will need garlic, ginger, white pepper, cornstarch, and of course your stir fry sauce. You want to divide up your vegetables into 2 piles. Those that take a longer time to cook and those that can cook quickly. Peel and cut the potatoes. Do the same for the carrots. Trim the peas. Slice up the onions. Cut up the cabbage. And cut up the young corns into half. Chop up the garlic. To cook, put your pan over a medium-high heat. Add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, put in your ginger and garlic. Give this about 30 seconds. Make sure that you do not burn the garlic. When the aromatics are fragrant, add in the vegetables that will take a longer time to cook. For me, that's the carrots and the potatoes. Give them a toss. Then add in some water. I am adding quite a bit of water here because the potatoes take a long time to cook. If you are using vegetables that does not take that long to cook, adjust the amount of water accordingly. Let the water come to a boil, then cover. Let this cook till the vegetables are tender. When the vegetables are tender, add in the other faster cooking vegetables. Add in some more water if needed. Bring it to a boil, cover, and let it steam for another 2 minutes. When all the vegetables are tender, add in the stir fry sauce and the pepper. Give all this a good mix. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Add in more stir fry sauce if needed. When it is the way you like it to be, stir in half of the cornstarch slurry. The sauce should thicken up quickly. And coat the vegetables. If it's not thick enough, add in more cornstarch slurry. So, there you have it. 1 incredible sauce, 3 delicious and speedy stir fries, a quick chicken noodle, savory pork and peppers, and a vibrant mix of vegetables. Want more tips and recipes to make your busy life easier? Then definitely check out these other videos here. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in my next video.